Hello, hi, good morning, everyone. Very happy to see you all again here. Here we are going to learn some simple basic yogic flow to reduce back pain. Okay. First stand in Samasthiti. Yes, this is Samasthiti. Now you are going to rotating your hip slowly, clockwise and anti-clockwise direction. Just 5 times. Clockwise 5 times and anti-clockwise 5 times. First move, this just activate your hip. Before doing any asana, you need to do this hip rotation. Then anti-clockwise. Yeah, you feel very pleasant when you are doing this hip rotation. Everyone like to do this move. Very simple move only. Back pain is one of the major causes nowadays because of our lifestyle and food and also poor physical workout like that. Okay. Second one. Now we are going to do Ardha Chakrasana. Keep your hand on your back spine. Just slowly bend back side. Most effective move to relieve your back pain. Do it very slowly. Come back, relax, take a normal breath. Then again, do it slowly. Yes. Take a deep breath. Relax. Breathe 3 to 5 times. When you are doing yogasana, if you are not comfortable with any asana, just stop doing that asana, skip that asana, then do another asana. Okay. If you are like on asana, you can do that asana more time. Anyway, relax. For every asana, you need to take some deep interval. That's the main thing in yoga. Next asana, Urdhva Baddha Hastasana. Just stretch your hand upward. Very effective asana to strengthening your spine. This asana is stretching your whole body and make your body neutral. If you have any pain or anything in spine, when you stretch upward, everything will be reduced. Do it 3 to 5 times. When you take a hand upward, breathe in, come back, breathe out. Okay, relax. Then again, deep breathe, stretch upward, stretch, relax. This stretch your whole spine and also whole body. Next asana, Parivrita Pada Tadasana. Like Tadasana, just try to twist your body. If you keep your right leg forward, then twist your whole body on right side. Now going to make your left leg forward. Going to twist whole body to the left side. Most effective asana to open your hip and also for back pain and also reduce the fat from your whole lower body. Relax. Here also having one more move, Chikyasana. This is Chikyasana. Try to keep your hand on your hip and try to twist left side and right side. Both asana are same only. But when you keep your hand in hip, that asana name will be changed as Chikyasana. Relax. Okay, next with another asana, Parshavasana, otherwise Konasana. Just try to stretch your whole body, left bend, right bend. Going to stretch your whole body, left side and right side. Relax. Very effective asana to open your hip and back pain. When you are doing this asana in your routine life, sure there will be no back pain in your whole life. Relax. Now we are going to do another asana. Simply sit in this pose and going to do Anjaneya asana. Try to stretch backward. Okay, try your maximum limit. If you feel not comfort, just stop doing that asana. Then again come to normal pose. Relax. If you have back pain, one thing you want to remember in your mind, don't try to bend forward. Okay, forward bend increasing your back pain, so mostly try to bend backward. Relax. Okay, now going to change your leg. Now left leg forward. Slowly take a deep breath and relax. Then again stretch backward. In this pose, you need to take deep breath and release. This is also best asana for lungs expansion. This asana increasing your stamina. Relax. Then come back to normal pose. Then again change your leg. Take some rest. Relax. Then again bend backward. Anjaneya asana. Just try it. If you are not able to do this asana, don't worry, just try it. If you try that asana, you will get that benefits of that asana. That's the main thing. Just try it. Relax. You need to do it for 3 to 5 times. You want to enjoy the flow of yoga. That's why I am repeating in every video. You need to enjoy the flow of yoga. That's the main thing. Your body and mind combined together and doing that asana. So you want to feel that. Relax. You want to do it for both legs 3 times. If you are not comfortable with this asana, just do it for 1 time and skip this pose. Okay, finally with left side. Just look upward, take a deep breath and release. Relax. Now with another move, Marjariyasana or Bithilasana, cow and cat pose. Just like cow and cat. You are going to combine both asana together. When you come back like this cat, breathe in. When you like a cow pose, breathe out. Stretch inward, stretch outward, breathe in. When you come to inward, breathe in. Come back, breathe out. Bithilasana, Marjariasana. Okay, very effective move for back pain. So try to do this move more than 5 times. Okay, very simple move. Just back up from your bed and do it from your bed itself also. Okay, very simple move. Just try to do this asana daily. Okay, if you have severe back pain, just try to do this simple one asana daily. Okay, relax. Next we are going to do Yudasana. This is Yudasana. From this Yudasana pose, we are going to do Ekapada Sanjalasana. Just try to stretch your leg like this. This gives more effect on your back. That means lower of your spine. Relax, then come back, then change your leg. Then rise your another leg. Most effective asana to reduce back pain. When you lift your leg, your face should be towards upwards. Come back, downwards. Then again lift your right leg. Slowly, do it very slowly, and also lift your face upward. Sanjalasana, Ekapada Sanjalasana. This asana also reducing your stress level, increasing your peace, and also a lot of benefits. Yeah, please try to do it yoga in your